Problems on fragmentation. Total of 1440 bytes that is routed through an interface with MTU of 56 bytes. Calculate flag, fragment offset, total length, data transmitted in each packet after fragmentation. Given total payload size is 1440 bytes. IP header size is assumed to be 20 bytes. Then MTU is equals to 576 bytes. Then first we need to determine number of fragments needs to be needed. Total payload size is 1440 bytes. MTU is equals to 576 bytes. Then formula, number of fragments is equals to cell of total payload size divided by MTU minus IP header size. Number of fragments is equals to cell of total payload size is 1440 bytes divided by MTU is 576 bytes minus IP address is 20 bytes. Then equals to cell of 1440 by 576 minus 20 means 556. It is cell of 2.59. Then it is round up as a 3. This is number of fragments we need to be find out. Next we need to find out we need to calculate fragment offset of each packet. Each packet's formula for that is fragment offset is equals to index of fragment into MTU minus IP header size. We need to find out for 3 packets. Fragment offset of packet 1 equals to index of fragment is 0 into MTU is 576 minus 20, it is 0. For packet 2, 1 into 576 minus 20, it is 556. For packet 3, 2 into 576 minus 20 is equals to 1112. Then next we need to calculate the total length and data transmitted on each packet. Then we need to calculate total length and data transmitted for packet 1. For packet 1, that is flag or more fragment, that is 1, and fragment offset is 0. We already find it in previous, it is 0. Then next we need to find out total length. Formula it is total length is equals to MTU minus IP header size. MTU is 576 minus 20, then 556 bytes. We need to find out data transmitted. Data transmitted is equals to total length minus IP header. Total length is 556 minus 20, it is 536 bytes. Next we need to find similarly for packet 2. For packet 2, flag equals to flag or more fragment, that is MF is equals to 1. Fragment offset is equals to 556, we already find it. Then we need to find out total length. Total length is equals to MTU minus IP header. MTU is 556 minus 576 minus 20 is equals to 556 bytes. Then we need to find data transmitted is equals to total length minus IP header size. Total length is 556 minus 20, that is 536 bytes. We need to find out packet 1 and packet 2. Now we find packet 3. For packet 3, that is flag or last fragment, that is 1. Fragment offset is equals to 1112. We already find it here. Then total length is equals to our remaining payload size is equals to total payload size minus fragment offset. Total payload size is 1440 minus fragment offset is 1112. Now 328 bytes. Then now we need to find data transmission. Data transmission equals to total length minus IP header size. Total length is 328. We have find it here. 328 minus 20, that is 308 bytes. 308 bytes. Then now after the fragmentation, in the information about each packets. For packet 1, it is flag equals to 1. Then total length is 556. Data transmitted is 536. Similar for packet 2, flag equals to 1. Fragment offset is equals to 556. That is here 556. Total length is equals to 556 and 556. Data transmitted is equals to 536 bytes. For packet 3, flag equals to 0. Fragment offset is equals to 1112. Total length is equals to 328 bytes. Data transmitted is equals to 308 bytes. Thank you.